What's the meaning of bullion? Bullion. Bullion.
Bullion. Bullion. Bullion refers to precious metals that are in bulk form, typically gold or silver, and often in the form of bars or ingots. These metals are considered valuable due to their rarity and historical uses in coinage, jewelry, and as a store of value. Bullion is often used as an investment tool, purchased by individuals or institutions for its value as a commodity. The value of bullion fluctuates based on market demand and supply, global economic conditions, and geopolitical factors. Investors often view bullion as a hedge against inflation and currency fluctuations, making it a popular asset class in times of uncertainty.